Where is Nifty heading to? Yes, that has been the questions in the head of so many investors. So in this video, we'll be talking about where Nifty is heading to in the coming days, and also we'll be talking about the absolute levels that Nifty will respect in the coming days. And also, yes, stay tuned till the end of the video. We will be solving what is going to happen in Nifty in the coming days. Yes. Is it going to the all-time high? Let's see it from the screen. From 31 March 2020, like right from the beginning of the pandemic, that is from March 2020, it has been on from a very good fall from around 11,000 to 7,000. It has been trying to recover. Looking into the earlier days, we can see that Nifty has been on a consolidating or a sloggy uptrend, but in this case from the pandemic you can see a very good massive uptrend in Nifty. And yes, from November 2020 we have had this primary trend line, and it has been respecting the primary trend line since then. So again, still it is being respected, and one or two times it tried breaking out from the trend line, but it has not been doing that. Yes, it has not been doing that. So we will see what is happening with this Nifty right now. This is 14 July 2021, 9:20 p.m. and yes, we are solving what is going to happen in Nifty. Yes. From 2nd June 2021, it has been consolidating. Nifty has been consolidating between the range of 15,442 and 15,915, which is almost 500 points. So before that also, if you look here, it has been trading in a range of between 14,491 and 15,442, which was around 1,000 points. It has been consolidating particularly in that range, and once that range was broken out, once that range has been broken out, you can see that it has been going in a clear uptrend. 15,900, 15,890, it has been acting as a very good resistance in the past month. So on 15th June 2021, 22nd June 2021, 28th June 2021, 6th July 2021, 8th July 2021, and also today, Nifty has been trying to break the zone of 15,850 to 15,910 in the past 5 sessions. Not the continuous sessions, the dates I have read out. It has been trying to break the zone of 15,900, but sadly Nifty couldn't sustain, or Nifty couldn't break that level and move up. Every time Nifty reaches 15,900, bears started coming into action, and yes, it drags down Nifty to at least 15,700, which acted as a very good support in the previous days. If a resistance is tested multiple times, if it is testing like 2 or 3 times, the chances of it to break the resistance is high. And as you can see here, this resistance has been tested like 4 or 5 times, and after that it is again, Nifty is right now trying to go up to that range again. Now it is trading at, today market closed at 15,853, and it is trying to go up to 15,900. Now what is going to happen in Nifty? Yes, if this breakout, if 15,900 is broken out, and definitely Nifty is going to see 16,000 in the coming days. If 15,915 is broken, if that zone is broken and sustained, yes, you can 100% expect that Nifty is going to go up till 16,000 or 16,200. And if that is taken, if that resistance is again taken as a resistance, and if it is coming down, then we can expect it to come down by or almost 200 to 300 points. At least it will come down by 200 points. And also, if this trend line is broken, and if it is sustaining below the trend line, then we may see a bloodbath in Nifty, is what I have to say, because that has been proven since the previous days. So looking into that, if this trend line is broken, then yes, 15,442 will act as a very good support for Nifty. And also, we hope that if this trend line is following, if this trend line is getting followed, then by the end of December 2021, we will see Nifty in 17,000s. Yes. So around October, according to my trend line, we can expect that Nifty is going to hit 17,000 around 27th October 2021. But yeah, the trend lines are not always respected, or it is not timely respected. But again, if it is going up, if it is following the present trend line, we might see a very good movement in Nifty. And also in the coming days, within 1 year or maybe within 6 months, this is July, and by December we will see a movement up to 17,000 in Nifty. But again, I'm telling you, if this So if this resistance of 15,900, okay, if the resistance of 15,900 is tested again, then we might see a drop till 15,650 again, and it might come down to 15,400. If that level is also broken, then we might see it to come down till 15,500, 15,200, 15,000. But that is not going to happen. But again, if this level is broken, then yes, we will see a very good massive movement in Nifty, and yes, it should touch 16,000 is what I have to say. Right, now let's jump into the open interest analysis. Okay, for the next week, what are in the minds of the investors is what we have to see with the open interest chain. So let's go to the OI chain and see what are the expectations of the investors. Now let's go to Nifty's OI chain. Looking into the long term, or looking into one whole week, we can see that the highest put OI buildup is at 15,800, followed by 15,700, which is again followed by 15,600, followed by 15,500, and also 15,400 also has a decent put OI buildup. Looking into the call OI buildup, we can see that 16,000 has the highest call OI buildup at 8,95,575 open contracts, followed by 15,900, followed by 16,200, followed by 16,100. So there is going to be a wide range movement in the coming week. So tomorrow's expiry we are not taking into consideration because tomorrow is expiry, and yes, investors will obviously shift into the new positions in the coming week on Friday or maybe tomorrow. So there will be a movement between 16,200 and 15,800 is what I forecast. But if 15,900 is broken, and if it is sustained above 15,900, then we will see 16,000, we will see 16,100, 16,200 is what I have to say. And the important resistances are 16,000, 16,100, 16,200, and looking into the supports, I already mentioned that it will be 15,800, 15,700. Yeah, these will be the crucial points for Nifty in the coming week. Yes, by saying that, I now know that you have a clear idea on where Nifty is going to. If it is breaking 5,900, flying up. If it is coming down the trend line, then it will take a support at 15,700, and again it might come down till 15,400 is what I have to say. By saying this, I think I have covered all the dimensions of where Nifty is going to, what will happen to Nifty in the coming days. Yes, thanks for watching the video, and also bye.